Hi, my name is Mike Harwood from Integrated Spray Solutions, and I'm here to talk about our handheld sprayer and make sure I understand the issues you're facing coating a surface with cooking spray. Now, based off of my conversations with Julie, as I understand what you're trying to accomplish, you have a big mixer with a lid that flips up. Just as a result of the geometry, you have to spray onto the surface from about 3 to 4 feet away. Otherwise, you have to climb onto a ladder. All right. Now, as you're undoubtedly aware, this is a cooking spray that's commonly used in restaurants. Let me first provide you some points of reference. I'm sorry. First point of reference is, Thomas, why don't you come over here? Okay, this table is about 3 feet deep. All right. Did you get that, Thomas?
Mm-hmm.
One of those circles is about 4 inches in diameter. All right, that's just to provide some references as we're spraying here. All right, so cooking oil or cooking spray in an aerosol can. You spray from 3 feet away, it's not even going to reach the surface. Yeah, why don't you take a look at that? Okay, take a look at all the stuff on the table. You get that? All right. The nice thing is about aerosol spray is obviously it's convenient and it generates a real nice mist. The problem is it also generates a lot of overspray. So if you're trying to spray anything at any distance, well, it's going to hit everything but the intended surface. By comparison, our handheld sprayer will reach a distance of about 3 to 4 feet. The handheld sprayer was designed explicitly to spray cooking oil, to replace aerosol cans in a food service industry, in restaurants and bakeries. Actually, we'll stay there, Thomas. What we're using today is just standard store-bought canola oil. We have tested this with cooking oil sprays as well. And as you can see, from a distance of about 3 feet. All right, here, Thomas, why don't you come around so they can see it? That was a distance of 3 feet. Right. And if we decide to, once again, at a distance of 3 feet, we can coat. Okay, I'll step back. I'm creeping up a little bit, but I mean, that's the sort of coverage you can get. Obviously, not something you can do with an aerosol can. This thing was designed to be as convenient as an aerosol can, but eliminate the cost of aerosols cans. Based off of our experience, just the can itself in a can of cooking oil costs about $1 a piece. At that, the cost of manufacture. Quite often, the cost of the aerosol can cost more than the product you're putting in it. That's once again at the cost of manufacture. So, depending on how many aerosol cans you're going through in a week or a month, you can do the multiplication and figure out how much money you're wasting on aerosol cans. We have a quick change lithium-ion rechargeable battery. This is designed it actually will last, and we've tested it, up to 16 hours on a 10% duty cycle. It was designed to last an extended shift at a restaurant all day. Once again, at a 10% duty cycle. If you're running at a higher percent duty cycle, well, say a 20% duty cycle, well, it'll still last 8 hours. We do have a recharger. Simple recharger. And out. Battery is also designed such that you can't insert it upside down. Lesson learned from our early prototypes. Now, one of the concerns that was raised was how do you clean it? Well, our cleaning solution is pretty simple. As Julie explained to me, Your procedure for cleaning something or an oily surface is water Dawn solution, bleach solution, and then rinse it out with water. Well, you put it in the water Dawn solution, and actually let me get a can here so I don't. There. In fact, if you can see close, you can actually see some of the sub dripping off of it. We're spraying just through it. One point to make here, the oil nozzle was designed specifically to spray oil, not lower viscosity fluids such as water. We do have variants that will spray water or a bleach solution if you're looking to clean surfaces with it. If you spray water through, or a soap solution in this case, through one of these nozzles and the oil nozzles, it just generates a mist. Now, once we've cut the oil, now we run a bleach solution through it. And we run a bleach solution through it, and I should have put my lab coat on because I probably just bleached this shirt. Yeah, I'm going to be in trouble when I get home. In any case, moving on, now we flush this out with water. And we'll just sit here for a while and flush it out with water, and we're good to go. One thing you may actually have noticed, and this was based off of feedback from some of our early prototypes, is that even though, well, if you're spraying oil through it, you won't have oil dripping off of your sprayer. If you spray something like water or soap through this version of the sprayer, handheld sprayer, you will get a little bit of dripping. But it was not dripping on your finger, it was actually dripping off of the nozzle here. That was a very intentional design feature. Once again, that shouldn't be a problem spraying something like canola oil. May have already mentioned, we're just here using store-bought canola oil. Given that you can buy it by the gallon, it's substantially cheaper than having to buy an equivalent volume in aerosol cans. And then we just run this thing again until we'll run this again until it's spraying oil. And you can begin coating your surface again. Now, one of the other questions that was raised was durability. Well, Thomas, you're trying to tell me something. What?
Yeah, what's the distance from the tabletop to the floor?
Oh, thank you, Thomas. All right. This tabletop is just a little under, it's about 33 inches. So just shy of 3 feet. And the proof is in the pudding. Again, there, I heard a really nice solid crack, and this thing still looks like a charm. In the course of the development cycle, we put this through a 1,000-hour endurance test, running it at about 50%, sometimes up to a 75% duty cycle, just to simulate 3 to 5 years worth of use in what we thought would be a busy kitchen or bakery. So once again, handheld sprayer. If you get up and take a close look at it, you'll notice this is a very simple design, simple, robust design. All right. It was intended to survive in a kitchen environment where it gets all sorts of abuse and drive as much cost out of it as possible without sacrificing the performance or the durability. of this thing. Once again, quick change battery. Recharge it in a couple of hours, or you can buy a spare battery and swap it out whenever you need it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, and I look forward to discussing this with you further. Thank you.